drop that much. As soon as this joint dipped, they bought it right back up. God dang. See if I can get a little bit of quick buy up in here. Chat, what it do? My bad, chat. I'm kind of doing a trade right now, guys. Y'all don't mind me. All right, let's grab some right there. Come on, don't. I ain't gonna put that much money in that one. Unity, what's up, man? What's up, guys? I see y'all. I ain't forget about y'all. I'm about to turn the screen on in a second. Let me fit up the stream. Let me see if I can get some music up in this joint. I think KG was trying to show me how to add the music. I can add some music because last time I tried to add some music, they flagged me, right? They done shadow ban me. They doing whatever. Y'all need to go ahead, right? Y'all already know, like y'all don't even understand, bro. I created a community token for you guys. We really can run it up. Y'all be sleep. I swear y'all be sleep, bro. I dropped the blueprint for you guys. And y'all just sleep, man. Y'all just sleep. All right, let's see if we can get these ads in some of the monetization. I don't want to do my own ads. I think y'all need to do the ads for me. All right, balance here. We're going with aggressive. We need the bag today. I'm hoping you'll take a look at SwiftCoin. It's got crazy low market cap and only 10 billion coins. Bro, I've been knowing about SwiftCoin for a while now, man. Come on now. Oh, no, I don't want it that aggressive. God damn, the show just started. Y'all already trying to put an ad? Hold on, let me change that. I ain't gonna do y'all like that. It ain't that serious. All right, let's go to balanced. All right, hold on. Let me see if I can get some music on here. Add stream market. Delayed ads, insert ad. That's not it. Settings, channel settings level. See back. Pop out dashboard. What's this? View creator. Let's see. No, that's not it. How do I close this? That's not what I'm looking for. Collapse menu. Can't sleep. Market's up. Yeah, the market is looking good, guys, right? Hold on. So let's go here. I don't got my camera on, so let me turn that off. And we're going to put our little J5 guy right there, guys. I gave y'all the good blueprint. I gave y'all a blueprint. We got a community token, guys. Come on now. Y'all want to run it up? Run it up. We've been around for 6 months on 3 chains. Now the market is looking good. The market is definitely looking good. Hold on, man. I gotta get some music in the background. If I ain't got the camera on, I gotta turn on some music, guys. 1 second, cause we about to cook. We about to cook this stream. I'm just hoping they don't flag me. They don't flag me. You know what I'm saying? They be on that BS, bro. They be flagging me. Hold on. Be right back. Let's get some music, a little background music, right? Free license music. All right, how do I find the free license music? I need help. We about to cook for like an hour, right? Copyright earn creator music. All right, here we go. Creator music. View free tracks. Come on, man. They don't got a whole. They need to have something that's like an hour or something long. joint to be too loud. Oh, that ain't gonna work either. They ain't got no tracks on this joint that don't got people talking. Alright, we're gonna have to go. We're gonna have to go ahead and do it like how we usually do it. Hopefully I don't get flagged, right? These boys been trying to flag people lately. Hold on, chat. I'm coming. We about to talk about the market. We're gonna talk about what's going on the market. If they do flag me, y'all gotta send them super chats. I'm just messing with y'all. Yeah, I'm up. So I'm like, you know what? I'm messing with the chat today. See what's going on. I probably shouldn't have bought that one token, right? I feel like I bought a top. But again, the market cap's so small, you just don't never know, right? All right, let's see if we can find some music. They flagged my ass last time on some bogus. They said they was free copyright and then they flagged me. Come on, man. Where the free copyright music at? What y'all buying in the market right now? Let me know. Let me know what y'all buying in the market right now. God dang. They done took my little playlist. Royalty free. Royalty free. Oh, copyright music. Yeah, took my little playlist, bro.
Wow, I just built the
most. Talking about he wasn't monetized, but oh, here we go. 3 years ago. Talking about he wasn't monetized. All right, now let's cook. All right, the market is looking good. We seeing altcoins pretty much come back to life, right? Some of our favorite altcoins have been pumping, especially when you look at what's happening on the week here. So again, I mean, it's time. I don't want to say it's time to start shopping. Damn, Jasmine up 31% on the week. But you should have been shopping, right? You should have been shopping. You should have been taking advantage of those dips. And it's crazy. When crypto was dipping, everybody was like, is the bull run over? Now, right now, everybody want to buy. Everybody want to buy crypto now, right? They want to buy it now that it's pumping. That's why only few make the big bucks, baby. Because we buy into the fear and we sit back and we enjoy these type of gains. Now, you know, every cryptocurrency you ain't gonna get a W on, right? Some of them I be taking L's on, bro. I be taking L's all the time. But you know, what I do is, chat, I make sure my W's outweigh my L's, right? But let's get into this CoinGecko report of Q2. So we're gonna go to the beginning here, all right? Because we're gonna go through this whole thing, chat. And we're gonna go through this whole report. So if we go up here, getting used to my new mouse. This is the 2024 Q2 crypto industry report. 7 key highlights. So, you know, we're preparing for the next leg up. That's what I like to call it, the next leg up. But let's take and go back in hindsight, right, of everything that's been going on lately. So it says here the total crypto market ended Q2 2024 with the 2.4 trillion market cap, trailing behind the S&P. So right behind the S&P been really going crazy though. Y'all know the stock market been going crazy. It says crypto volatility remained high in Q2. crypto at 48%, Bitcoin at 46%, and the S&P at 12%. So this is why people be like, this little sentence right here is why people be like, this is the last great bull run, because many people think that when the suit and ties get into crypto, that they're going to knock down the liquidity. When the compliance and the regulation gets into crypto, they're going to knock down the liquidity, the volatility, and it's not going to be as volatile. And, you know, we're not going to see those insane gains, right? You can see the S&P 500 volatility is 12.7. So we haven't been quite outperforming the S&P, but I believe, you know, crypto is being, you know, is prepared to put in this next leg up. But it's kind of crazy that the stock market been doing that well, right? Who in the chat invests into stocks? Let me know, chat. If you invest into stocks, let me know. It says Bitcoin ended Q2 at $62,734. Its trading volume fell 21%, averaging 26.6 billion daily. That's crazy, right? Like, we talk about, like, you know, you think about the average person, and then you go look at a stat like this where the trading volume, the average trading volume for BTC is 26 billion. That should show you how much liquidity is in the world, right? The global liquidity, in fact, the global liquidity is chart is showing that liquidity is rising, which is actually a positive sign. So we got the liquidity rising, and we also got the Tether boys printing more stable coins. It says the market was unsettled by Mt. Gox moving 140k Bitcoin and the German government sale of seized Bitcoin. And we know that created a little bit of a selling pressure. But even in the midst of that, we're seeing the Bitcoin ETFs eat up that selling pressure, which is a good thing. This can only make you think, like, you know what I mean? Like, what's going to happen, right? What's going to happen when the ETH ETFs come about, right? It could be crazy. All right, so this right here is talking about the Bitcoin mining hash rate at all-time high. I've never personally mined Bitcoin, so I'm not really into the mining, but I know the mining hash rate plays a part with the Bitcoin price, whether it's bearish or bullish. So, you know, there you go for the people that like to mine token. This was the most interesting one right here for me, guys. Number 4. It says meme coins were the most popular narrative in Q2. Meme coins capturing 14.3% of the market share. 4 of the top 15 crypto narratives were meme coin related: Solana, ETH, Base, and Ton. That's the 4 horsemen right there, guys. That's the 4 horsemen. Like, I will say this. Throughout Q3, you know, one thing that I'm learning, right? Is that there's a lot of layer ones out there. There's a lot of different ecosystems, but the ones that make the money are the ones that have the most retail activity, right? So when you think about Solana, ETH, Base, and Ton, what comes to mind? Meme coins. And that's why they were the top ecosystems, aka the top casinos. So if you're new into crypto and you just want to play it safe, me personally, if I was coming into crypto, I wouldn't even try to do research and try to find the next big ecosystem. I would invest into the ecosystems that's proven and are working on onboarding more people into their ecosystem through simplicity, like meme coins, right? So Solana and Base here led with 22% of the market attention, right? So that's good. We can take a look at this, so you guys have an idea what narratives actually are pumping here. You can see meme coins 14%, RWAs, which is surprising, above AI. I wouldn't have thought that, but Larry Fink did go on a crazy press run a little bit early this year, and that's when we seen a lot of activity from RWAs, right? So I did that video the other day on some you know, RWAs that if I was building a portfolio and I didn't want to go into being like to having, you know, too much of high market cap, I would look at some of those RW plays that I said in that video. Third was artificial intelligence, bringing in 10% of the market share. So we know AI is going to be a huge narrative. Solana meme coins bringing in 8%, and the Solana ecosystem itself bringing in 5%. So this was huge. Base ecosystem, base meme coins. I trade those daily. I'm actually looking at a trade. Hopefully I'm not getting wrecked here. All right, cool. So I need this to come down a little bit. But what we got here? Base meme coins. Layer ones. Then yeah, I'm not trading, guys. So don't buy those tokens. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. I was looking at something. All right, do not buy that token. Solana ecosystem, base meme coins. Layer ones. Layer ones was really quiet, right? D-Pin had a little run, but it only picked up 3% of the market share. And gaming was absolutely horrid, right? We are seeing some gaming tokens rebound. Actually, I was looking at one a little earlier because I was kind of trying to find some tokens, right? I was looking at some things. I was looking at Andy here because I was like, you know what? If you got Brett, then you got Andy, then you got Land Wolf. I think that's how it goes, right? Brett is the biggest on base. So I was looking at Andy, like, couldn't Andy do something similar to what we see Brett did? Or if not Andy, if you want to get a little bit more Degen, I would say Land Wolf on base, right? So let me actually find the Wolf on base. Yeah, where are you? Wolf on base. Bro, it's so many of these joints. It's ridiculous, right? This one right here is down 9. Yeah, this is it. Land Wolf on base. So you got Brett, you got Andy, and then you got Land Wolf on base, right? So if Brett was able to hit $1 billion, where do you think his friends are going to go? Like Andy. And my bet would be something like Land Wolf is a little bit more of my speed, right? You know, Andy is 15 million. Land Wolf is almost 3 to 4x less than that. So, right. So, and then we got this gaming token that I was looking at. I was looking at Shrapnel, Blood Loop, looking at some AVAX gaming tokens because I'm seeing a lot of KOL activity here with Blood Loop. One thing about like these gaming tokens, AI tokens, you don't want to fake heavy KOL activity. So when you see a token that got 2 to 3 people with over 200, 300,000 subscribers talking about it, that's literally a good sign if it's in a dip, right? Because at that point, you'll probably see, you know, people start to pick up and buy this token because their favorite YouTuber or influencer are talking about it. So pay attention to KOLs, top KOLs, and if it's like 5 or 6 of the same KOLs talking about a token, you know what I mean? There could be opportunity there if it hasn't already pumped. Like we've seen that with PayPay. We've seen that with Brett. You know, I'm seeing some, you know, I think, what was that? Elliott Trades mentioned Blood Loop. He was sponsored by them. Recently, I seen Superman talk about Blood Loop. So I'm starting to see a lot of Chads, right? Whales in the group talk about Blood Loop as well. Let's get into, I think I got a super chat. Or was it somebody added? And we'll get into the chat. F you live again today. I'm still weed wacky. Boy, how you cutting weed at this time of night, bro? What is you doing? Harp? Yeah, so I did expect more from gaming, but I got out of my gaming tokens a little bit earlier than others, right? I know a lot of people round trip their bags, right? I was able to take, you know, profits on some of my gaming tokens. Damn, sometimes I don't realize how long my dreads is. And it's like down my back, I'm thinking a spider or something. BRC20 has some hype. Layer 2s really didn't do anything, man. I mean, my BitRock was a very, very bad underperformer. Multiple Layer 2s, like, I can go through the Layer 2s. They just didn't really do anything. BRC20 had a nice run, but then it was short-lived, right? A lot of people bought the tops and got wrecked here. The Ethereum ecosystem, well, we know ETH was, you know, not that well. Cat theme meme coins. I dropped one actually in the Patreon. I talked about a cat theme meme coin, aka cat anime theme meme coin we talked about on a live stream, right? Which I believe was waifu. So we go here. Yeah, I'll be up all day. Yeah, so you know, for the next, I say like, you know, week or maybe 2 weeks, we got some sponsored content coming out here from Waifu. This is not actually just a anime, but this is also a cat themed meme coin. Now, I did just recently drop an awareness post in the Patreon on this 4-hour candle, and it's since rebounded. So anybody in the Patreon that's seen that post, salute to you. You could be starting to win this trade. I think that this is going to do very, very well. I seen 2-Bit Crypto talking about it, so some pretty mid-level KOLs like myself that's starting to talk about this project. But I do own a small bag, right? Not only am I sponsored, but I bought my own personal bag, guys. So keep an eye on Weifu. But yeah, it's kind of crazy, right? And then the Ton ecosystem, which I do have some Ton meme coins. But AI went crazy, right? AI, and this is why, guys. This is why I'm so bullish on our community token, right? Because when AI comes back around, right, we are the only true AI meme. If you ever seen Short Circuit, Johnny 5, we are the only true AI meme. Guys, we're sitting at an $89,000 market cap. We've been around for 6 months, guys. I mean, we should have more activity. But it is what it is, like I said. I just want to make sure people know that we are, you know what I'm saying, we got something that we, even in our community, that we are personally working on. But these were the most popular crypto narratives and how much market share that they took, right? And that's the thing. AI was 10%. I look at it like this: as the channel grows, more people find out about Crypto Millie, more people find out about the community token. It's like a forest fire, right? But the community, we got to come together, guys. Work for our bags, load our bags. Like, I'm here. It's just 6 months in the game of token creation. Give it a shot. Like, we're holding the floor. We've been holding the floor for weeks, but we need some people to come in and really give it a shot. So share our community token with your whale groups, with your Chad groups, however you want to do it. All right, so let's go back and see what else the next part of this report is. Ethereum turned inflationary in Q2. So this is an example of when the demand isn't there. 107,725 ETH was burned, while 228,000 ETH were emitted, resulting in a net addition of 120. So if ETH doesn't have demand, it becomes inflationary. But if people are buying it, using it, actively working inside the ecosystem, buying these meme coins, then it can be also deflationary. Well, we didn't have a lot of movement in Q2, right? Burn rate fell by 66% due to the slower network activity and lower gas fees, right? So when the gas fees are high, ETH is burning. When the gas fees are low, it's the opposite. But I've loaded up ETH within the last 3 weeks, and I'm prepared for these Ethereum ETF flows. I think if you got a little bag, you got to at least have one ETH, guys. Just one. Not because you think it's going to be explosive, because it's like Bitcoin. It's like it's about to grow over time. If they're getting a damn ETF, right, for Ethereum, it ain't going nowhere. They wouldn't approve an ETF for ETH if it was going to just, be on some FTX type shit. It's not going nowhere, guys. That's just my opinion. Anything can happen, but I think it's not going nowhere. So I think it's very, if you can just have one ETH and just ride it out to 2030 when they predict Bitcoin to go 1 million. That's what I plan on doing. I'm gonna put some ETH in the market on the next dip. I got some ETH specifically for trading, but I'm always going to have at least one ETH in the chamber where I won't touch that, right? Because that's kind of like silver. Bitcoin is gold, ETH could be silver, or you can call Casper silver, however y'all want to do it, right? I think, having one ETH and just letting it appreciate over time, I think that's a good thing. Trump eyes lower taxes. That's good. Powell stays Diamond as Treasury Secretary. So yeah, hopefully Trump get him up out of there, right? He's finally getting a little dovish though. He says he ain't worrying about inflation coming down to 2%. That's not a big thing when his thought into going into Fed cuts. So we should get a Fed cut for sure in September. In fact, you don't even see, like, if we go here to September, right, you don't even see the pause no more. Look, the pause would be like 525, 550. We go to September, all right, there is no pause, right? It's 93% chance of a cut. I'm interested to see how the market reacts to that, right? Spot trading on volume CEX has dropped 12%. This is a good sign. This is when you buy crypto. When you see shit like this, when you see the spot trading volume dropping, no interest in crypto. You can see here, guys, we are preparing for the next leg up here for the altcoin market. So we're preparing for the next leg up. This is interest. The interest. This is the Google trending for crypto. the interest of crypto is coming back and preparing for next leg up. You can see in the last few days, Coinbase here, the App Store ranking has also been quickly moving up. So how I look at it, in a bull market, in a bullish trend, when you see these metrics going down, that's when you load your bag. When you see them going up, you can also buy on the way up, but I wouldn't do. I just not my type of thing, right? I'd rather take a chance of buying on the like dips and risk in red days, risk them red days, than trying to buy into green candles, right? I just not my thing personally. All right, and don't worry. Bybit surged to become the second largest spot CEX and QT, overtaking Upbit. So I don't usually use Bybit or Upbit, but I know a lot of people talking about it. Binance remained the largest CEX with a market share of 45%, which is crazy that Binance has, been able to stay relevant like that. I didn't expect that, right? I didn't really expect that. I thought Binance was going to fall off eventually, and after CZ got locked up. So if I knew CZ was going to get locked up, I would have never even launched on Binance, right? I would have, and like I said, I was telling somebody, I don't know who I was telling, but I was telling somebody that I said, look, man, the devs got it easy these days. Being base jump, pump.fun, gas pump. Ain't no reason y'all should fail, bro. Y'all got it easy. All right, 7. DEXs hit 370 billion in trading volume, up 15%. So a lot of people are starting to use DEXs. This is a positive sign because this shows you that retail are coming in the market being degens. And I know for sure that this is true because I've been in multiple AMAs, right? When I'm in an not AMA, voice chat, VCs, and Telegram, right? And the person that's taking over the CTO or the person that's talking in the Telegram only been in crypto for 3 weeks. I'm like, what the fuck? How y'all trying to do a CTO? You only been in crypto for 3 weeks. You trying to do a CTO? How do you even know how to use DEX? So now newbies are coming in and they're going straight to degen. They're just skipping exchanges. That's a good thing because you don't have to now feel like you got to buy cryptocurrency on exchange. Tokens got to feel like they got to get robbed trying to get listed on exchanges. The fact that the DEX volume is going up, in my opinion, is a good thing for crypto because exchanges, man, overrated as fuck. Overrated. Exchanges are overrated. I'm just gonna be completely honest with you. Uniswap grew. Thruster Blast's DEX grew. I gotta any Blast meme coins I need to look at because that is a crazy number. Surged 464%, and I never used Blast DEX, and I didn't even know people use this. So obviously it's some meme coins over there and something going on. And then the popular one here, Aerodrome, grew up 294% to 5 billion, each holding a 3% market share. So that's good for these DEXs. That's good for crypto. Celebrities getting in crypto, going straight to degency. Now you don't have to feel like you got to hold a crypto on because it's listed on the exchange. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. All right, so that's it. That's the crypto report of Q2 2024. Let's get into some of these chats and see what you guys got going on. We got 26 people in here. Pepe, yeah, Pepe is gonna be big, man. You got like couple of KOL guys, over 500,000 followers, pumping that. Damn, 66K, fuck them out, guys. What do you think of Reef? I was bullish on Reef maybe like 2 months ago. It gave me Telos vibes. I don't know where it's at now. It probably corrected a lot. I know a person in my Patreon made a little bit of money with Reef. I don't know if they round trip their bags, but this is around the time where Telos was pumping, and Reef looked like it could be something very similar, like what I would call a promising ecosystem. But guys, like I said, I like Telos, I like Reef, but at the end of the day, you want to be purchasing a chain that people are actually using. So until we actually get people using this chain, I just don't know, man. I just don't know, guys. I just don't know. You want, Solana, Ton, base chain, ETH as an ecosystem. I'll just be real. That's just where it's at. Maybe SWI, maybe Linnea, maybe ZK Sync Era. But I mean, we just talked about the top 4 or 5 ecosystems, and I think at this point in the cycle, those are the winners, man. I just gotta be, you know, Polygon was awful, right? Layer 2s were awful, man. Like layer 2s like had one little quarter where they were hot. Besides that, layer 2s were absolutely awful, bro. Trust me. Some of them in my portfolio. NorCal, bro. Oh, you got to keep it clean around the green. Hey, man, you still cut, bro. You started really, really early then. Reef ran 20% of the day. Yeah, no. I'm not against Reef. It's listed on crypto.com. Toshi is pumping. People have been telling me about Toshi. What am I missing here? Let's see here. Toshi. I hope I don't get demonetized, man. Toshi is pumping. Yeah, somebody said there was a rumor of Toshi getting listed on Coinbase. I didn't realize Toshi market cap was this high. Wow. Oh, there you go. Brett has some competition, right? Yeah, Brett has some competition, guys. I did not realize this. But yeah, cat theme meme coins are like a new meta right now, I'm hearing, so I'm not surprised. This thing has been around for a little minute. I guess we can go to the 3-day, right? Well, yeah, looks bullish. About the VWAP, stock RSI cross and confirmation of bullish momentum. RSI cross, bullish momentum. Toshi does look like it's ready to put in its next leg, and it is up 37% on the day. So yeah, above the VWAP. Technically on the 3-day, this is bullish. This is a good sign. Usually 3-day takes about 2 to 4 weeks to play out, so this is a good sign. Seeing multiple bullish indicators here on Toshi, like what I'm seeing from Toshi on the 3-day chart. Are you related to Yon World or December Marco? Selbo Fun, what's up, man? I haven't seen you in a while. No, I'm not related to December Marco or none of that. But salute to the culture, baby. I'm loving it, man. Salute to Selbo Fun. One of the OGs from Rodney channel. Salute to my boy Rodney. Salute to December DeMarco. And I don't know who Yon World is, but salute to all those guys. I'm here for the culture. What's up, Jonathan? Is there Bronny Inu? Oh my God. Will it be trash? Because Bronny is trash. Look, I ain't even gonna cap. Like, Bron, you could be mad at me if you ever listen to my stream, bro. Your son, like, I hoop, bro. Bronny is trash. Does this feel like the start of 2020 and the 2021 bull run? Let's look at it. No. I mean, look, I don't know if just the start. I've been around for a little minute now, so I don't know if you're new to the channel, but yeah, I've been around for since BTC was at 15K down here. So to me, like, I was talking to somebody on the phone today, and it was like, oh yeah, man, I see that you left your profession. How did you get into full-time Web3? Well, guys, I've been in crypto since down here. Like, if you've been in down here and you didn't make no fucking money all the way up here, then you holding the wrong shit. You done bought the wrong shit, and you holding it. And I know a lot of people who did. I've been criticized for pivoting and stuff, but I've been in crypto since down here. So again, if you was down here and you ain't make no plays on the way up, hell nah, you need to try a new profession. But yeah, to me, I think we're a little bit further in the bull run than many want to, you know, believe. But at the end of the day, we haven't touched our trend line at the top, which normally in every bull run, guys, we do. So I don't know how this happened. Okay, there we go. Let's actually go back here so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. And you can see here, cup and handle, but everybody's anticipating the parabolic stage from 2020. So again, a lot of people got into crypto right here and they thought this was the parabolic stage, but there were many people that bought all the way down here, peak bear market. I was one of those people that bought peak bear market, and so many new people are getting in crypto on the handle, but they missed out down here. I'm not going to be a YouTuber that says like the bull market hasn't started yet, guys. We've been like, this is the part right here. Right here is this is the part that you are anticipating, right? So if we was down here, then I would say, yeah, this could be the start of the bull run, but we're right here on the handle. So you still got a little bit left. If we go to the logarithmic charts here, show you guys an example of what I'm talking about. So very similar patterns to 2020. I would agree with that, but we're a little bit further in the bull run than many people believe, right? But the hopium, right, is the fact that we haven't touched the lower bubble bands just yet. So we got it 1, 2, 3, whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I mean, we haven't touched these red lines, we haven't broke these red lines, and then every crypto bull run, we either tapped the red line, we came close here, we broke it again here, we tapped it in 2020 with the double top. We haven't even got close to our bubble lower bands yet. So I mean, we're not in the beginning of the bull run, but we still haven't had the parabolic stage. Let's look at ETH. All right, we still haven't had the parabolic stage here, like we had the parabolic stage here with ETH, here with ETH, but we haven't had that yet with ETH. So not at the beginning of the bull run, but definitely, I mean, not at the end of the bull run, but definitely not at the beginning. Just to keep it all the way a G with you, my boy. GS Wiseman, what y'all laughing at? Selmo, what's up, baby? What's good? Yeah, it's good to see some. I gotta start night streaming. This is where it's at. I gotta start night streaming. XSXEN. Oh yeah, I know y'all been going crazy about that. I forgot that I was gonna take a deep dive in there. I clean forgot, guys. So many cryptocurrencies on my table that I forget. Again, over here we do got a community token, guys, so please consider that. All right, and then we are anticipating the net inflows for the Ethereum ETF. So I am excited because this could send ERC20s and the entire ETH ecosystem to another level, right? When ETH, which is already liquid, is going to be pumped with more liquid like we've seen from BTC. ETH meme coins specifically could go parabolic. ETH gaming coins, AI coins, but specifically ETH meme coins could go parabolic because, I mean, let's keep it real, man. At this point, crypto is just a casino. I think people kind of got turned off about the, buying something that has this heavy utility, not really understanding what you're buying, and then watching a cat theme meme coin do 300 times more percentage. And you like, what the fuck? I could have just bought that picture and been a millionaire right now. So even though meme coins are risky, they're the most relatable. And I think when new people come into crypto, as we can see, the DEX volume is up compared to CEX volume. It kind of tells you that when people are coming into crypto, the first thing that they're looking for are meme coins. Nobody is going to crypto saying, let me find the next utility token, except for me, right? I like to take a deep dive and find something that can be utilized on an everyday use case. But it's a lot of randos getting in crypto and they just want to buy a picture. All right, so analyst predicts Ethereum ETF inflows could reach 10 billion, pushing ETH to new highs. The introduction of the Ether exchange traded funds is expected to bring a significant investment inflows, potentially up to $10 billion, which could drive prices to all-time highs by the end of the year, according to Tom Dunleavy, a managing crypto partner at a crypto investment firm, MV Global. Dunleavy shared these insights with Cointelegraph, highlighting the anticipated impact of Ether ETFs. Guys, get ready for the next leg up, right? We've seen 15 billion flows in the Bitcoin, and now they're expecting 10 billion to flow in the ETH, which will be a lot of liquid for Ethereum ERC20, specifically meme coins. I would expect if these billions of dollars roll into Ethereum ecosystem, you might want to have your eyes and ear open for the latest narratives, guys, because token creation is going to go crazy. You're already going to see some of the craziest meme coins and craziest narratives that we never seen before, with so much new money coming into crypto. And not to add, we do got the FTX creditor recovery summary here, which could put another 14 to 16 billion back into the cryptocurrency market. This is insane on the news, right? That is looking like Trump daddy is gonna be there, right? And again, I'm not here to pick a horse in the race, But you know, let's keep it real, right? When we think about what we need for the market, we need Trump up in that joint. Now I just gotta be real. All right, so FTX creditor recovery summary could put more liquid inside the market, guys, which could be huge for ERC20 tokens, huge for token creation, right? And this is not just huge for ETH. This is huge for Base, right? Because Base use Ethereum token, right? Base uses Ethereum's token as a token of choice when it comes to swaps. So this can not only be huge for Ethereum, but also huge for Base chain, guys. So be looking for this FTX recovery. Key dates to remember are August 16th, 2024 for creditor voting, and October 7th, 2024 for the final approval of the liquidation plan. So ETH ETFs can bring in 10 billion. FTX creditor recovery could bring in 14 to 16 billion. Q4 is expected to have a Fed cut and possibly the money printer. We can't get more bullish, guys. Q4, the next leg up is looking like it's going to be para-freaking-bolic. And it doesn't have to necessarily fall in Q4. When we get that Fed cut or whatever, maybe the market drops with the anticipation of a recession and we have a bullish Q1 of 2025. So regardless if it's Q4, Q1 of 2025, patience is required, but most importantly, the most important thing, family, is a work ethic, guys. Work ethic and bringing in new money, because just like Tether is printing, you guys need to be printing too. You guys need to be printing too, because that's the only way you're going to be able to enjoy these gains, right? You can't play in crypto if you ain't got no money, man. You got to have money to be in crypto, bro. I mean, you got to have money. All right, so that's that. Again, this live stream is sponsored by Weifu and of course our community token here, Johnny5. All right, let's get into some of these comments here. What do you think about the XNC chart? I don't even gotta look at the chart, man. I think about XCN the same way I look at Casper, right? Tons of bullish partnerships, but lots of suppression from the price. I know there's allegedly working with JPM, right? But again, just like we see from Casper, some of the most bullish momentum, but in just price suppression. The same thing we see from XRP, the same thing we see from XLM, these so-called beautiful technology, but heavy price suppression. Same thing we've seen from Adera. Is AIT protocol a good buy at 6 million market cap? I think there's a lot of good cryptocurrencies that's on sale right now. In fact, this was one of the ones that I did find an entry point, which is AISCII, which is prompt to creation. AIT is an OG. I made some profits off AIT. Right, I think it went to like 80 cents. We was able to take some profits at around 80 cents. I think it went to like 80 cents. Yeah, AIT went crazy at one point. But I got in extremely early, right? I got in down here, and it's round tripped its bags, guys. So sometimes I got in down here, right? So sometimes you got to know when to take profits. Yeah, this thing did a 10x. We took profits at the top, and now, you know, there was a little FUD where there was just like this bot that was like every 1 hour selling $5,000 worth of tokens. I don't know. Are they still doing that? Because that caused a lot of FUD in the project. I don't know if that was market making, or maybe it's now it may have finally sold all this bag, or they fixed that. Yeah, so I'm not seeing it. But there was a bot that was selling like $5,000 worth of tokens every hour. And it did this shit for like 3 or 4 days. That really pissed me off about this project. It's one of the reasons I decided to take my profits. But now it's rebounded all the way down. And yeah, I do think it's a good buy here. In fact, I just put this inside the Patreon as well, which is a real company. This token is a real company. And I also think that this token is a good buy. Karate, depicted upon the supply schedule, right? I want to make that clear. Some of these things have supply schedule. You know, our token, we just do burns. We don't got a whole bunch of unlocks. We just burn them joints, or we talk to the community, and the community comes up with the idea. But Karate token, which is like a real token, centered around MMA. So giving the MMA fighters an opportunity to be fully in control, unlike what we see from UFC, where those guys are pretty much puppets for Dana White. Karate Combat puts control and ownership back in the fighter, and that's well deserved when you think about the people that's really putting their lives on the line, fighting, getting their head beat in, slapped, you know, choked out, broken limbs. You know, they should be able to be appreciated a little bit more. Not saying Dana White doesn't have a good business module, because it's for him, but he's not the one out there putting in the work, right? So I like Karate Combat for giving an opportunity for the fighter to be in control, opposed to, you know, like what we've seen from Dana White or a Vince McMahon, right? So again, guys, I can go across the board of tokens that's on sale. This is just another one where it's like it's a real company, real people behind it. It serves a real utility. Like MMA, we already know is very, very popular. So this is something where it's like, okay, I can buy this. This is real. I can hold this over time, and you're getting back in at a favorable level down here, opposed to buying up here. It's just so many tokens, guys, that's on sale right now. I can go and you can name some, and I know we can go across the board and just see so many different tokens, right? Yeah, Aerodrome and Brett is a good one. Waiting for my Elon to make me rich. I should have an Elon video coming out very soon, guys. So I am going to do an Elon update. I'll do an Elon video within like maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I'll rock out an Elon update, which was crazy, man. Elon fell all the way down to about a $70 million market cap, which was 1.3. So man, like if you bought Elon at 70 million, and that was a good trade. You got a chance to load your bags, and now it's on the rise. It's back to 1.7. So just 2 weeks ago, this thing was sitting at 1.3. So people say what they want to say, but you know, Elon did give you an opportunity, a damn good opportunity here to load your bags at about 1.3. So I'll be doing an Elon update to explain to you guys what I'm seeing, but it has been slowly back on the rise, and thank God, out of this horrid downtrend that we see. Now we just need a few confirmation candles above this downtrend to confirm a reversal, right? We want to see this thing start to head up from here. So Elon gave us a beautiful entry point at around $68 million market cap, maybe like a $70 million market cap, and that's what you want to ask for. To put that into perspective, I think the June 22 low may have been 611 or 612, so it came really close to like yearly lows, right? And now it's back at 617. So anybody who bought the dip down there should be in profit. The only thing that like with Elon, with me, is just like they don't pay for marketing, man. Like look at Brett, look at Pepe, what these guys are doing. Like they're in contact with the biggest KOLs. Nobody wants to just make videos and then you don't like, you know what I'm saying? Like you got to show some type of love to the content creators that's putting out there, right? You know what I mean? That was one of the reasons why I stopped making content for Elon, because it's like, come on, man. Not one time did I get a mention, nothing, like no love. All right, that's not a bad project, but they don't show no love to marketing, and I'm just keeping it a band with you guys. Just keeping it a band. Millie, should I buy ETH now, or will I get a chance when it dips before the ETF? New, bro. So this is the thing, right? If you're buying ETH now because you're gonna hold it for the next 5 years, then of course you're still getting it for a premium. If you're buying ETH now because you believe you're going to make money as soon as the ETFs go up, you missed the boat, bro. I mean, you know, when we go back to ETH, at one point, ETH was at $900, right? You know what I mean? Like, guys, like ETH was $900 June 2022. And even if you're new into crypto, you can kind of like see ETH has begun its run, right? It kind of like went sideways to about 50 for, you know, a few months. 1,500 seemed to have been like a solid floor, and now it's on its way up. Can ETH go to 10 grand? Most likely, right? It can go to 10 grand over time. It's not going to happen as soon as the ETF goes in. So it just depends on your time frame. How much ETH you plan on buying? What is your goal, your perspective? Are you looking for quick gains? Or are you just holding for long-term delayed gratification? You got to figure out what type of investor you are. Short term, you probably kind of like missed the boat. I can't tell you, you know, how the ETFs will, you know, appreciate once these ETFs go live. But long term, ETH is still a good buy, right? Come on, it's Ethereum, right? Everybody, you can't. Most things in crypto goes through Ethereum. So long term, still a good buy. Short term, you're buying more of a top opposed to the bottom. So always keep that in mind, guys. Find great entry points. OG Tron? You talking about Justin Sun's token? This Tron? Tron is not a bad token. It's not a bad token. It just has a bad reputation because of Justin Sun. So like Tron has always been a solid like token and ecosystem, and you can see here about a chart. It's been quietly going up. It just doesn't get a lot of press because of Justin Sun. Like some people rock with Justin Sun, some people think he's a scammer. So it's just him. If he, you know, key man risk as we would call, right? You know, some people, you know, when they know you're a founder of a project, some people just won't buy it because they don't fucking like you. People don't like Justin Sun. He's just not a likable guy. I don't maybe that's why people don't buy J5, because they don't like me, bro. We need to do a CTO, bro. They don't like me. Ah, man. Well, yeah, I created that for you guys to go crazy, man. Run your bags up, bro. Run your bags up, man. All right, we got 18 people in here. Thanks, bro. No problem, Leroy. Crypto bar market cap in 2021 was 3 trillion. In 2027, it's going to be 12 trillion. Yeah, it's going to be crazy, Selmo, because you got to think about it. Everything is going to be moved to the blockchain. Larry Fink is talking about RWAs, tokenizing the fucking stock market. You got Grand Theft Auto getting into crypto, right? You got games getting into crypto, which is very relatable. You got AI, which is the perfect complement to crypto. You got data, which runs with AI, which runs off data, which is also being tailored to the blockchain because it's most transparent and it gives deep-in vibes where people can actually monetize their data. And then you got rendering, and with the growth of rendering, you know what I'm saying, there's going to be a lot of influx of you know, cloud storage, GPU tokens. I'll give you guys a couple that I'm actually looking at. Octaspace is one of them. You got Blender. Blender came down a lot. I think that's one of them that's pretty popular. You also got Node AI. You know, you could just pick one. You know, I think Octaspace, in my opinion, is the best one because it has its own house, meaning it's its own ecosystem. When you think about the fact that it's a proof of work token, it does everything those GPU tokens do, but it has its own ecosystem opposed to like being an ERC20 token. So Octaspace, in my opinion, probably will be the premier, you know, GPU token. I mean, look at the chart. The chart speaks for itself. This has been a freaking beast, guys. Like, this is the one. A little bit harder to buy, a little bit learning curve to buy, but you can always get wrapped Octaspace on Ethereum, and it's called WOcta. But I think, yeah, I don't even want to show it. It's called WOcta. But I think Octaspace could be the winner. Could really be the winner of this whole GPU narrative because it has its own ecosystem. It's a proof of work token. And as you can see, many people are preparing for altcoin season to happen in either Q4 2024 or Q1 2025. It all comes down to this Bitcoin dominance coming down. The only thing is the Bitcoin dominance is moving a lot slower than the previous cycles. So now people are starting to extend their time frame to Q4 to around Q1 2025, where we can finally see the Bitcoin dominance capitulate. And the fact is, the Bitcoin dominance has been a little bit stubborn because of the Bitcoin ETFs, right? The ETFs have been keeping that dominance pretty high. We need the dominance to go down to truly have right around the 40% range. I think my boy Hall of Fame said it, to truly have a altcoin season. But I was saying, like, the way that altcoins be moving, I wouldn't be surprised if the Bitcoin dominance doesn't even go down and we still see altcoins show some explosive moves. I mean, we've already been seeing it from some of these meme coins, right? All right. I didn't buy the rest of my Elon because it never hit red RSI. Well, yeah, man, sometimes you gotta, you know, use other indicators to kind of get a good idea of when to find your entry points. What I've found is that just using the traditional indicator, the VWAP. I know a lot of people in the stock market use the VWAP. The VWAP works really, really well. It kind of like could give you an advantage on whether a token is bullish or bearish. I mean, momentum is bullish or bearish, not the token. Okay, Jonathan says, what is your prediction on the best narrative? Do you have to plan to sell each narrative because last time they run differently? Well, I'll sell in phases. Again, Jonathan, are you new? You said I bought during low in 2022. Okay, bags are packed and now it's time to run. Lots of run. Check the 3-day 100, and every time we in the bull run, it stays above both. Once it breaks below, it's over. Yeah, I have to check that out. I'll definitely have to check that out. But again, yeah, I've been in crypto for at least 2-3 years now, buying crypto for 2 to 3 years now. So just saying that the bags are packed, now it's time to run. Like, things have been running. Like, I don't like, things have been running. They're not just starting to run, they've been running. So I mean, unless you've been holding stuff like XRP, then yeah, you probably feel like, I'm ready for my bags to run, Millie. I'm ready for my bags to run. Jumper DCS world, what's the word, baby? Hey, Millie, because of Bitcoin ETF, I don't think the Bitcoin dominance will go down that much. I just said that, wise mind. I just said that, bro. I think, yeah, I just said that the ETFs are kind of like messing up the Bitcoin dominance that we need to go down, which is cool. Like I said, altcoins probably could explode regardless if the Bitcoin dominance goes down, right? There's been a lot of explosions, like Aerodrome, Brett. Like, these are tokens, like Aerodrome and Brett, like, these are tokens that went fucking parabolic in the phase 1 and phase 2 of the bull run. Aerodrome and Brett went parabolic. Jasmine, it's another Casper went parabolic. You know, these are tokens that went parabolic. But if you just holding stuff like Terra Luna Classic and XRP and those things, then you didn't see a lot of that, right? You ain't see a lot of that, dog. You is not see a lot of that. All right, anything else we need to look at, chat? Is that it? Any more questions? That's it? All right, so I'm gonna let everybody go. That's the news. We talked about the recovery. Fed J Powell backs interest rate cut before inflation drops to 2%. That's huge. We got a lot of bullish catalysts on the way, guys. Ethereum ETF could bring in 10 billion in liquidity inflows. FTX creditor situation here. Q4 Fed cut, money printer, global liquidity going up, election season. It seems like the stars are aligning for a nice parabolic move for altcoins somewhere between Q4 2024 and Q2 2025. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about the entire crypto market. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you buying? Are you selling? I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm out. Waifu, y'all be coming late to the stream, bro. But I already showed y'all some love on the stream. Y'all come so late to the stream, but I showed y'all some love on the stream. Salute to Waifu. In fact, before I go, I'll put the Waifu links in the chart here. All right, and then I'll put our community token here, guys, Johnny5, in the chart as well. Yeah, we got a video. We got some sponsor content coming on the way, guys. And if you're part of the Patreon, you probably seen those awareness posts of Waifu. So make sure you go check it out, guys, because you know I gave that awareness post when it was around $400,000 market cap, and right now it's sitting at a $900,000 market cap. So salute to the Waifu community and the Waifu team. But y'all gotta get in the